Hey guys, Eric here, self-prescribed compliance nerd. I'm going to put on some PPE that's going to be required and has been required for many years. One thing that's going to be real handy is if you go to the CDC's website, and I'll post it in the descriptions below this video, is you can go to their website and you can get this little catalog that they put together, and it's a summary of infection prevention practices in a dental setting. And it reviews a lot of the things that you should be doing in your dental practice with regards to PPE to infection control in the operatory.
Isolation is going to be more important than ever. Rubber dam is necessary. However, to capture all the aerosols, devices like the ReLeaf by Heraeus Kalzer, Mr. Thirsty by Zerk, or the PureVac by Dentsply is going to be important to capture the aerosols inside the oral cavity. A dry oral cup utilized outside of the oral cavity hooked up to HVE will help capture external aerosols.
Hopefully some of these little pearls were helpful to you. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below or reach out to me. Have a great day.